welcome to Breakfast English. Today we are looking at how we can change the use of then. It's very easy to use this word far too often, and then your writing and speaking becomes very boring. Yesterday I went shopping at the market. Then I had a coffee. Then I went home for lunch. Then I went to the beach for a swim. Then I met some friends for a drink. Yes, that was very boring. Short sentences all beginning with then. Let's substitute some of these words for then. Yesterday I went shopping at the market. Later I had a coffee. Then I went home for lunch. Following lunch I went down to the beach for a swim. After that I met some friends for a drink. That's much better. Now let's improve it even more. Now let's use some connective words to link the sentences together. Yesterday I went to the market. Later I had a coffee before going home for lunch. After lunch I went to the beach for a swim and then met some friends for a drink. That sounds much better. We only used then once, and now we have some short sentences and some longer sentences.